you guys, welcome back to my channel. So there is no way I can justify why May bullet journal got like really late, but still I'm gonna give you a reason why it took me so long. So there was like a really lot many posts on my Instagram that I used to see about these Friends show, and I always ignored it, thinking okay, this is too overrated for a series. But then once when I actually started watching that, it like literally took the whole part of my heart. Like I cannot even imagine a life without Friends right now. So yes, this is the thing that I could do with my bullet journal. This month's entire bullet journal is like a tribute to that Friends series, which actually made my life really happy. From thinking those jokes, those sarcasms, those relationships, it's like the beautiful show that I've ever seen in my whole life. So if you guys are watching this, then please take my advice and watch the show once. You will fall in love with the show. So yes, let's just begin how this month's bullet journal turned out. Okay, so I decided on doing my month's cover page with the Monica's iconic door. That door was like literally the thing that everyone actually wished for and loved it the most. I tried recreating that same door with the drawing or the illustration of that wall piece that she had hung up on the door, and I think this actually became like the favorite thing of my month's entire bullet journal. And then the quote for the month was Janice's "Oh my God." And then comes my monthly spread, wherein I decided on inserting all those little moments that I literally loved, like the Central Perk logo and the wall piece, as I said, and Monica's chicken thing on her head. So yeah, I liked all these things and I tried to incorporate the same things with my monthly journal. So that's how it actually turned out. And the next thing was my mood and habit tracker. So I tried putting both the things together in a chart and making the one where the mood and the habits get tracked. So I literally liked how I could insert both the things together in like 2 pages with the symmetrical lines and all that. And yeah, this is how this turned out to be. Yeah, I really don't know how I totally forgot to record this one page wherein I could jot down the entire episodes, entire seasons, episodes that I really liked. So this page was the only contribution for the episodes that I really liked, and the next page was for the YouTube planning thing. And I wanted it to be simple and subtle, so I just made it like this. So the next thing starts with my first weekly spread, and the iconic in that whole series or the intro thing was the umbrellas that they actually used, and I just wanted to recreate a little nice cute things in this first weekly page, and this is how I actually created. And the second weekly spread was all about the coffee houses couch that they all used to sit, and this is like the tribute to that. I really liked how this turned out to be, and with a Phoebe quote down there. And the next third weekly spread was about just the wall piece that I really loved in the whole series. Yeah, and the fourth spread was like the entire cast I tried illustrating in the week. I love every single person in the whole series, and then this was just like the tribute that I could give to all of them, and to thank from all of my heart for giving us this amazing show. And yes, this is the preview of how it actually looked. So, yes, I hope you guys have fun watching this, and I'll get back with you for the next month's bullet journal. Until then, bye bye.